Everybody, welcome back to another video about Digibyte, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of a DGB coin. What's the price changes occur in the Digibyte? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Digibyte, guys. Now the latest in live price of a DGB coin in the market is 0.057783 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Digibyte. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes of a Digibyte, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive 1.7%, last 1 day changes is negative 19.5%, last 1 week changes is negative 11.71%. I mean, guys, if you look the price changes update of a Digibyte, so from the last 7 days the price changes is negative. That's mean that the price falls or starts from the last 7 days. In the yesterday changes is also negative. I mean, last 1 day changes is also negative. So guys, now that's clear that it is a false time. Just look here. Oh my god, that's really a shocking news for everyone, especially for DGB coin holders, because first time I saw this kind of false. Digibyte holders are completely in a right now situation, are going in the loss. But you know what, guys, don't look the short time update, guys. There is a last 7 days falls, only 1 week falls. So don't take a decision on last 1 week. Just always look a long time updates, like 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 months, in like 1 year. You can see if you look the changes of Digibytes last 1 month, so the changes is still positive 6.85%. If the changes is positive, that's mean that the last 1 month holders are in the profit, guys. And highest price of the Digibyte is about 0.078679 USD dollar. So guys, on the basis of currently right now update, I recommend for you to please hold. Don't decide to sell. Everything will be okay, just hold. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.